In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make free web forms with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one for free. Click Create, then select Form. Choose Use Template, then search for Contact Form. Select the template you want to use and click Use Template to open it in the form builder. Customize the form by clicking on any field to edit the text, add new questions, or remove fields you don't need. Next, click the Settings tab and update the form title with a name that matches your form. When you're finished, click Preview Form to test your form and make sure everything looks the way you want. You can then publish your form, share the link, or embed it on your website. That's how to make free web forms with Jotform. Thanks for watching.